A template for problem solving. Real-life issues are typically intricate, encompassing multiple facets, factors, individuals, and scenarios. Most problems have several possible solutions. While these solutions may vary, understanding the existence of numerous approaches to resolving an issue can help mitigate it, either partially or entirely. Consider a bowl of hot porridge. Instead of diving into the center where it's hottest due to latent heat, you begin from the edges, scooping small portions and cooling them down by blowing on them. Similarly, confronting a problem directly in life can occasionally have adverse effects, like burning your tongue on hot porridge. Addressing a fresh challenge in life or work resembles piecing together a jigsaw puzzle. The vast array of choices and uncertainties often leave individuals feeling daunted. Yet, by dedicating some deliberate time initially to delineate the problem's parameters, one can swiftly build momentum, investigate suitable solutions, and utilize their complete creative problem-solving abilities. Well-defined boundaries enable the exploration of unconventional avenues and seemingly irrelevant options. Structure and freedom are interconnected. Structure provides the liberty to navigate creatively. As Todd Henry puts it in his book Die Empty, there are 4 elements that can help you explore the edges of your problem: aspirations, affinities, assumptions, and attributes. Delving into these 4 areas provides ample material to play with your work problem mentally. These elements act like the edges of a bowl of hot porridge. He further adds, the best ideas often come from overlooked or abandoned corners of your experience. Let's dive into each of these elements in detail to uncover the possible edges of any problem. Setting goals, aspirations. This stage is essential because we often invest significant time in projects without clearly outlining the desired result or purpose. Pause to reflect on a current project, task, or issue you are working on. Pose the question, what specific outcome do I aim to achieve here? Choose 3 to 5 words that represent your goals for this project. Utilize these words as a starting point for brainstorming fresh ideas or questions to delve into. Defining your goals can trigger valuable insights right away. It adds clarity to your problem-solving process and establishes a strong basis for generating innovative solutions. By comprehending your objectives clearly, you lay the groundwork for a more targeted and efficient effort. Discovering connections, affinities. Connections, or affinities, are the links you observe between your ongoing projects and your past encounters. Noticing these links can inspire fresh ideas, perspectives, and potential answers to challenges. Our learning is most effective when new knowledge is linked to existing understanding. By having mental anchors to attach new experiences to, we enhance our chances of retaining that information and applying it in future problem solving. Reflect on your current dilemma or scenario and draw parallels with any products, individuals, situations, or concepts you are familiar with. Recognizing similarities can trigger innovative concepts and resolutions. These affinities can spur new inquiries, leading to original solutions. Any effort to look at your problem from a different angle can aid you in interacting with it in new and efficient ways. Embrace these associations to explore and tackle your challenges with creativity. Challenging assumptions. Assumptions can act as invisible obstacles that impede innovation. As the popular saying goes, assumptions are the root cause of mistakes. If we fail to scrutinize these assumptions, advancement will be halted. It is the persistent effort to question and push back against these preconceived notions that open the door to breakthroughs. By deliberately dedicating time to identify and challenge assumptions, we can discover new perspectives and foster inventive ideas. This readiness to challenge the established norms is what ultimately drives significant progress and imaginative solutions. Therefore, dare to interrogate assumptions and allow progress to flourish. Characteristics, attributes. Characteristics are the key features of the issue you are attempting to address. How does it appear, feel, and sound? What precise, tangible terms could you employ to define it? After recognizing various characteristics, utilize them as initial points for creating innovative ideas. For instance, when aiming to enhance a workspace, contemplate characteristics such as disorganized, loud, or poorly illuminated. If the problem appears daunting, consider characteristics like complicated, ambiguous, or time-consuming. These specific terms can assist you in identifying the precise nature of the challenge. Some concepts may appear evident or whimsical, yet with perseverance, you might discover one that triggers a fresh perspective. You can only uncover valuable insights if you are willing to sift through the debris. Characteristics steer you towards revelations by concentrating on the particular facets of the issue, ultimately leading to innovative and imaginative solutions. Dealing with dead ends. Throughout our lives, we often come across obstacles or barriers. These can manifest as either conceptual challenges, where fresh ideas may be hard to come by, or execution hurdles, often rooted in limitations and more difficult to maneuver. To surpass these obstacles, it is beneficial to ask yourself important questions that can help you delve into the core of the issue. When confronted with a conceptual barrier, what is my ultimate goal in solving this issue? What are the characteristics of this problem? Similar to identifying similarities discussed earlier. What is currently motivating me? When confronted with an execution barrier, where do I feel the most restricted? Where do I feel like things are slipping out of my grasp? What aspects do I find challenging to comprehend? When dealing with challenges in life, it is crucial to redefine them and consider different perspectives by utilizing aspirations, affinities, assumptions, and attributes. These factors help us define the limits of our issues and seek creative solutions. Keep in mind that every obstacle presents a chance for personal development and innovation. Embrace the journey, maintain a sense of curiosity, and progress confidently. Your breakthrough idea or answer might emerge from an unexpected source within your own experiences. Continue to explore, question, and open new opportunities. The process of overcoming challenges can be as fulfilling as the solutions you discover.